Okay, Scorpio. So if you are Scorpio, sun, moon, or rising signs, this message may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. So let's see what we have for Scorpio today. What is going on for Scorpio right now? We have the Lover's card. Whoops. I think these are yours. Your cards. How many cards do we have? These two, and I want to take the bottom and the top. And we have the Two of Cups. There's something with love here. We have the Lover's card and we have the Two of Cups. There could be a little warning about this here if this is something new. Okay, so we have the Lover's card. So this is choice. This could be romantic situation, relationship. This can mean that you're drawn to something or a situation or a person in your life that may be someone that's not a romantic relationship or a situation. This could be work. This could be a choice. You could have a choice. Maybe it's a work choice in which job you want to do, choice in something, a person, choice in relationships. So you could be in a place where you have these opportunities, something new coming in that is something that could be love. But with love, there's a risk, right? There's the fear of losing. So there's some things here that there's a choice, and then there's some risks with that choice. We have the Ace of Pentacles, so there's a challenge here. So this, you could be Scorpio. You could be hesitating on something, or something could be interfering, or if you do something, you may have to give up something here. With the Ace of Pentacles is usually an opportunity for work, job, or something like that, or wellness. So it could be an opportunity that something is good for you, but there's something that could be interfering with this. So there's an interference here, or if it's a relationship, there's something that can interfere, maybe job locations or something. There's something that is interfering with this connection with a person or situation. It is raining outside, so I don't know if you can hear that. I actually love the rain and the thundering. So, and then we have the Emperor. So this is a goal, and the Emperor is about power. So it's like you want to make sure that things go right in this situation. And I almost want to say, like, you want to take control. You want to be able to. So maybe there's something here, a challenge that you may be worried about, maybe losing something in this situation, but you want to be able to do this without the risk, and to do it. And so I feel like you're planning to do something without a risk here. The Four of Pentacles, so you could be hesitating in the recent past, holding on to your energy, holding on, waiting to make a decision. You could be holding on to money, holding on to a job, holding on to, this is about security, holding on right now to money, your job, or a goal or something. There's something you're holding on to here. And if this is relationship, it could be holding on to a person, or holding on to something, but usually it's like money, wellness, material things, a job. The King of Pentacles. So I feel like you guys are very good at making decisions, like business decisions, or just decisions about money, or you have this confidence that you're going to figure things out. So I feel like you guys have a plan here, and it feels really good about this. I feel like there's opportunities here, but there's something that is interfering with something that you want. And then you have the Eight of Wands. The Eight of Wands means movement. So, and this is a near future card, so it's either going to be that there's going to be a time thing here and you guys are going to make this a quick decision on something, or things are going to start moving quicker for you guys with whatever's going on. So you're trying to get things in control here with the Emperor before this happens, if you are seeing this happening. So things are going to be moving in the near future, or there's going to be a time thing when it comes to making a decision here. So it's like you guys are trying to figure this out, or feeling out the situation, knowing if it's right for you, maybe doing your research on something. Here we have the Magician. So I feel like you guys are feeling pretty powerful about a plan or something, that you guys can make this happen. And I feel like you guys do this. You guys can make things happen and are powerful in that way. So even though you could be holding back on something, there's a reason for this. And then we have the Five of Cups. So around you guys, there could be some losses, some grief, some sadness, or some things could have been happening around you guys that are sad right now with this. I feel like something happens. Whatever you guys are seeing around you, something happened here and it's causing some sadness. Then we have the Hierophant, and the Hierophant is the one who knows. So I think you guys have a plan or something, or a teaching something, or I feel like you guys are the ones that have a know, or some of you guys could be looking for the person who has knowledge in a situation. If this is a work situation, if it's a relationship situation, you may be looking for opinion on somebody, or looking for more information or something like that. And if you are the one that's knows, you could be making some plan here, whether it's relationship, financial, maybe it ties in financial and relationship, work and relationship. There is something here that you're either researching, or you know, or you're trying to explain to someone else, or vice versa. In your situation, of course, take what resonates, because everyone's situation is different. Here's the Five of Pentacles. This is challenging times. So I feel like you guys have to really, so I feel like what I'm getting with this is that there's a choice in a situation. Five of Pentacles is challenging times, and it could mean financially. It could mean like with wellness. So what I'm feeling with this is, if it's, whether it's love, career, or anything like that, there's a choice here. But there's a choice, and you have to be very careful with your decision, because it can turn out one of two ways. Something could be challenging, and something else might be the thing that works out. And how they represent themselves, you have to be very careful with, if they're showing you the truth, so that you make a very good decision when it comes to, you know, whatever it is. It's like, slow down, do your research, really feel things out, trust your intuition and stuff like that. We have the Five of Swords, and we have the Queen of Cups. I feel like in the past, you guys have been hurt before, and you're not playing this game. It's like, you know, from being hurt in the past, something is interfering. I feel like you guys have this inner knowing right now. It's like your intuition is much stronger right now. And that could be because of the way the planets are right now. So we have the Two of Cups and the Devil card. The Two of Cups is being attracted to something or someone. It's two people coming together to make each other happy. It could mean you being attracted to your work also, being attracted to something. But here's the Devil card. So the Devil card is being careful that you're not drawn to, and it's like being careful that you're not going to be chained to the wrong thing. So it may look good for now, but it may consume you with, you know, either it's overwork, maybe the job is too stressful, or maybe it's something that, you know, or maybe it's a person that, like, you could become addicted to something, and it's not going to be good for you. So it's just about, it's about choice. It's about choice, because it could be something that's good and something that looks like it's good and it's not good, and it's about making the right choice so that you don't get wind up hurting yourself in a situation that you are drawn to. So it's about being drawn to the right thing that's not going to hurt you, being drawn to taking your time, and when you're making your decisions. So I wish you guys well, Scorpio. You're the magician, you have the power. And you guys really take the time to learn things, I feel. So you guys have the tools. You guys have the tools, you guys have the experience in the past too, and the knowledge. So to make the right decision here with this opportunity, whatever's coming in here, I wish you guys well, Scorpio.